Hey beautiful people, so I'm back in another video, but in this video I want to go over the shopping cart trick. So this is a Visa credit card. I want to go over how clients are getting approved for it. If you have any questions, I kind of want to go over that too. But clients are getting approved for the shopping cart trick, you guys. So look here, this is the shopping cart trick. It's a Visa credit card. So let me show you guys how I actually did it. Let's go straight onto the video. Now remember, before you're able to do this shopping cart trick, you gotta opt in. But we'll go over opting in after I show you guys how it actually works. So I think it's like less than 2 minutes. So let me show you guys the video of how I did it. So what I did was I went to campingworld.com. So after you go to Camping World, I want you to find items that's like 200. So find items that's like $200 to $300. Find something that you could put in your cart. So I found something right away for $222. And don't forget too, you want to allow pop-ups. Pop-ups are good. That's how you're going to be able to get the pop-ups. So you can go ahead and get the account. So get the credit card. So it was $222. I went ahead and just checked out. So secure checkout for this. So I did the secure checkout. And then I checked out as a guest. Do not put your information in. So you want to put your information in. I didn't put it in for this client. I'm going to block out the information here. Continue to payment. And then you're going to see, like, wait a little bit, and then it's going to pop up. So it took a little while for it to pop up, but it popped up. Let's see. I'm like, wait, what's going on? There we go. Act like you're going to leave, too. You see how I act like I was going to leave? Sometimes, you got to act like you're going to leave, and then you're going to get that pop-up. So act like you're going to leave, and then you should be able to get that pop-up. But here's the pop-up here, you guys. So with this pop-up, too, you're going to get approved for this credit card. And we get approved for the credit card, they're going to give you these rewards, too. So remember, I don't want you to really get so our bill right here was $234. I don't want you to really get that. I just wanted you to act like you're going to buy the item so that you can get the pop-up, so you can get the credit card. So now they're saying basically, hey, you're pre-approved for this Visa credit card. Go ahead and click that yes, I'm interested. Go ahead and get that credit card. And now you can just cancel it out. So a lot of my clients can't get regular credit cards until I fix their credit. So I got to get all the negative accounts deleted from their credit report so that they can even get approved for this account or any type of account. So I tell clients, do my shopping cart trick. Don't worry about it. Look on my master credit card list. You'll be able to see all of these credit cards because it's like over 60 credit cards that you can do this with, right? Go ahead and look at all those different credit cards and try the same trick with them. And remember, too, you have to opt in. So let me show you what I mean by opting in. So opting in is here. So go ahead and click show more. And you should see the opt-in. I don't have the opt-in on here, you guys. Oh, here we go. Maybe I got to change it into another link that you guys can be able to get. But let's go ahead and put it here. And you should be able to opt in. So for you to opt in, that's what this screen is. So opting in means, hey, I'm trying to get a credit card. Send me all the credit card offers that you guys can send me. Make sure that you're opting in and not opting out. A lot of clients opt out, and that's going to mess everything up. So go ahead and click opt in. Do not click right here where it's opt out or opt out here too. And then click submit. Go ahead and put your first and your last name in. Put your social security number, your date of birth, put the address in, with your city, state, and zip code, and put your email address in and click submit or confirm. Now, when you go ahead and opt in, it's the first thing you want to do before you even try to go to the campingworld.com. You want to opt in first. When you opt in, sometimes you're not able to get approved right away. Some people can go right in and get approved. But then some people, you got to wait 24 hours. You got to wait a whole week. Just keep trying and go. Make sure you guys look down the description and get my shopping cart trick. Not the shopping cart trick. Go ahead and get my master credit card list because my master credit card list is going to be over 100 credit cards in general. So you're going to need this in general. Like, you're going to always need this, especially if you're fixing your credit or if you got good credit, you're trying to figure out what's the next good credit cards to get. Go ahead and get my master credit card list. I want you to try those different companies on there. So say if you can't get this card, if it's not working for you, you can go to the next cards. Now let's go ahead and look at some of the results because I have comments here where clients said they tried and they was able to do it. So I tried this and I got approved, but I'm a little upset because they weren't able to get the Visa credit card, but they got the store card. Now, remember, I always tell my clients, I want you to have 4 credit cards. So I understand you may not get the Visa one, but I'm happy you was able to get a credit card at all. Do not spend more than 5% on any of these credit cards. That's what's going to make sure your credit score is staying high. I really wanted to do these tricks so I can show you guys how to keep your credit score high by making sure you guys get the 4 credit cards, especially if you have bad credit because they don't check your credit. Another one said, too, it works, was very doubtful at first, but it works. So that's good that she was able to get the results. And then somebody said, make sure you're in incognito mode. So incognito mode is here. Look, you see these three dots here at the top? Go ahead and click there and new incognito window. And that's when this window will pop up, and then you'll put Camping World up here. So let's see what else is going on with you guys. Make sure you put that same address on your credit report too. That is very important. This client says it doesn't work for them. So sometimes you got to keep trying. You can't just try right away and say, oh my gosh, it doesn't work. And sometimes it won't work for people, especially if you have like a fraud alert. If you have a fraud alert, it won't work for you. And I'm going to go deeper into fraud. Somebody said too that it worked for them and they got approved for $400. So that's really good, you guys. And remember, they're not going to check your credit. That's the best thing about this card. Now, remember, if you have a fraud alert, a lot of people have fraud alerts on their card and they don't even know it. So a fraud alert is when you may have told them, hey, some of my credit report isn't mine, and it's just a statement. It's not a freeze. A freeze is when you got all three of your credit bureaus locked. You can have all your three of your credit bureaus locked where nobody can get your credit report. You just can't have notes that it was fraud on your account. Anything that seems like you have fraud on your account, they're going to just deny you. So go ahead and take those fraud alerts off and you should be able to get approved for them. But like I said to you guys, go ahead, look down the description, get the Master Credit Card list, go ahead and opt in, and you should be able to get approved for this credit card. If you have any questions, go ahead and text me, 833-742-5482. So that's my phone number. It's really 833 Rickita. So my name, go ahead. You can always remember that. Call or text me, 833 Rickita, and I can go ahead and help you guys. And remember, if you're not subscribed, subscribe. Bye-bye.